If you're interested in all things motorcycle, ranging from the gear we use to news from around the world, including the new 2021 MotoGP bike by Ducati, stick around to find out more. Hi guys, and welcome to another video. If you're new, my name's Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, and in this video we're going to be talking in brief about the new 2021 Ducati MotoGP bike. Now, as most people know, most people that follow MotoGP these days, the Ducati bike is called the Desmosedici RR, or now it's known as the Desmosedici GP. This year, like all other years, they've gone for the name GP21. This bike is pretty much the same as last year, but with a slightly different chassis by all accounts. There's been a few slight minor tweaks to help with aerodynamics and rigidity and so on. Just a little bit of background about the bike in general. It's got 250 bhp, it's got a seamless gearbox, it's got a V4 90-degree liquid-cooled engine, and it's also got fly-by-wire throttle, which like most bikes have. As far as the Ducati factory bike goes, or should I say the riders for the factory team, there's two new riders filling those seats this year. For 2021, there is Jack Miller and there is Francesco Bagnaia. Now, these two guys have been in MotoGP for 5 years and 3 years respectively. Jack Miller has been around since 2015 and Francesco Bagnaia has been around since 2019. Both of them are relatively successful riders in other classes that they've been in, such as Moto2 and Moto3, both of which have been champions in their respective classes. Jack Miller actually finished last season in the highest position that he's had, which is 7th. Overall in the standings, whereas Francesco Bagnaia hasn't had that good a run so far. But with him only being a bit of a fledgling in MotoGP, he's bound to get better. With regards to the 2020 season, there was a lot of drama going on. There was a lot of things happening, COVID being the main one, which ruined everything for everyone. There was also Carl Crutchlow retiring. There was also Marc Marquez pulling out for the rest of the season because of his injuries. There was Valentino Rossi leaving the factory Yamaha team to go to a satellite team. I think it's the Petronas satellite team, if I remember rightly. But all these things have been going on in 2020, so draw a line in the sand, move on. 2021, what can we expect? The Desmosedici is, or was, the fastest bike in a straight line as far as MotoGP standards are concerned, and those bikes are fucking quick, cracking something on the lines of 223 miles an hour, around that sort of ballpark figure. So in terms of straight line speed, you know, nothing can touch it really. Over the years, Ducati have always had these issues where, especially in MotoGP, that the bike has been blisteringly fast in a straight line, but terrible when it comes to going around corners. So hopefully with the chassis tweaks for 2021, that will be addressed. Also, if you are a new viewer and you've just come across my channel, please feel free to subscribe for this and all future content. If you are a biker, if you're a motorcycle enthusiast, if you like bikes, if you're in that kind of way inclined, you just like motorcycle leathers or whatever, if you're a biker in general, you know, feel free to drop a sub. You know, you're more than welcome to join the clan. Also, just as a little side note, this year being 2021, new year, new start. We're in mid-February now. We're almost Valentine's Day, so, you know, love you all and all that sort of business. My goal this year is to hit 100,000 subscribers. With your guys' help, spreading the word about the channel, getting involved on social media, like I've said before and I'll say it again, you can reach out to me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and obviously YouTube as well. And what I'll do is I'll leave links to my social media accounts in the description box. So if you do want to reach out, you can do. Also, just as another side note, my 1098 should be back with us hopefully by the end of the week, if not next week. So fingers crossed for that, so we can start getting stuff done on the bike again. Also,
a few moments later.
I keep saying also. There's also another update in terms of my actual recording gear for on the bike. Just upgraded my SD card to 128 gig for my Hero 7. I've just got 2 new ND filters, which I'll be testing very, very soon. And I've also upgraded my microphone to a Purple Panda. So with any luck, all those things combined should give you guys and me a much better experience in terms of me recording the footage and for you guys seeing it. So with that being said, like I said already, thank you for the support, thank you for the subscribers. If you like what you see and you want to see more, feel free to get involved, drop a sub as well. All the support is greatly appreciated. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave any comments in the description, in the comments box down below, and I will try and respond to every comment that I get. But for now, this is me, Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, saying look after yourselves, look after each other, stay safe on the road, and as always, adios.